Hello everyone, welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. Today's Super Bowl Sunday, but I'm not going to be watching it. We don't do that. It's not something we're interested in, so it pretty much passes us by, but it made me think, what could I do that was fun? What could I make? And so I decided to do something I'm making this up, okay? This is one of those where I'm taking something I already make and I'm just got this wild idea and I'm gonna test it and see how it works. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me to see how it works. So if you've watched my channel for a while, you may have seen my video about crispy dogs. And I will leave a link up there for you. It's a fun recipe, a childhood recipe. Love it. Still make it sometimes just for fun. Fair warning, this is not healthy. None of it. I'm going to use some healthier ingredients, but it's still not something you're going to classify as diet food or healthy or anything like that. This is just for fun. So I thought I'd like to change up that crispy dog recipe. How am I going to do that? Well, I'll tell you, it's going to be bacon. What could be better than using bacon? So we're going to test this out and see how it works. And y'all are going to come along for the ride. Let's get started. So if you watched my crispy dog recipe, it's simple and it's fun, but it's oh so good. And that was using hot dogs and cheese and a corn tortilla and frying it up. Well, I'm not going to use any tortillas today. Instead, first of all, I have uncured beef hot dogs. And these have no antibiotics, no hormones, no animal byproducts, all vegetarian feed, all natural ingredients raised in the USA. Hey, that makes it kind of healthy, right? I'm going to tell myself that. And then I have low sodium bacon. There you go, low sodium, another healthy thing, and some cheddar cheese. What's wrong with that? So now what I'm going to do, and I've never tried these hot dogs before. I hope they're good. But all you do is you take your hot dog and you're just going to make a slit part way down. You're not going to go all the way through it because you just want to make like a pocket. So, I don't know if you could see, but it's just kind of like that. And not all the way to the ends, just part way. Then you just take your cheddar cheese, or whatever kind of cheese you want. I mean, it doesn't matter. This is what we like, and it's what I have handy, so. And it's kind of traditional. And I'm just going to cut a strip and just cram it in that little pocket, like that. So now what I'm going to do, let me get a paper plate to work with bacon. So now I'm going to take strips of bacon, and we'll see how much it takes because I've never done this before. May just take one. We want to wrap this thing from one end to the other, making very sure that all the cheese is wrapped in there. And we may have to use part of a second strip. I don't know yet. I think I'll add just a little bit. Just to be on the safe side. And then take just toothpicks. Now we're going to go through both ends. Now we used to do this with the crispy dogs, but then we figured out a way of not having to do that. But I think with the bacon I want to just take that little step. So there we go, we have it all wrapped in bacon. So now I'm going to go get my pan ready and I'll take you over there and we'll see what happens. Since this recipe is in the spirit of fun and we're kind of going all out, I decided what's better to cook this in? And that question popped in my head and I thought lard. So I'm melting lard and we're going to fry these up in lard. So once this is all melted and heated up, we'll come back and fry up these bacon dogs. All right, I have my oil heated. Now we're going to add the bacon dogs. So I'm ready with my splatter shield just in case. Oh, these are going to be so good. I just know it. It's splattering, so I'm going to cover it up. Wait till one side is brown, and then I'm going to turn them over. We'll come back. Just turn them over. They look good. All right. Got these fried up. Now, I'm going to take one, and they are hot. Take out these toothpicks. And I'm going to cut it open and see what it looks like first. All right. Look at that. Cheese all melty, and the bacon all around it. Now I'm going to cut a piece to taste. I have to be very careful because it is hot. So let's see how it is. Oh, those are good. Might even get the bacon just a little more crispy. And I want to serve these. These are pretzel buns that I found at our local store that has all the organic stuff. So I'm going to serve it on these buns. And oh my gosh, what a fun lunch we're going to have today. So thank you for coming along on this experiment with me. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and please comment. I love to read your comments. Thank you for watching. God bless, and we'll talk again soon.